What we got here is a swing arm pivot bolt that has been seized up, and the shop that had sent it over had tried beating it out, and you'll see when we get it removed how flared up the other side is, and there's even a crack on this side. But I figured we'd machine off this part and then possibly make a mandrel and punch it out in reverse. Not sure how much further it's got. I can see all the way through the crack. I'm wondering if we could pop that off without having to do a whole lot more machining there. Let's go a little more. I'm gonna grab a punch and a hammer and I'll be right back. See if it does any kind of... Just wanted to see if it would move at all, really. Don't know exactly what diameter we're working with. Alright, we gotta go a little more on that. Change the angle. That crack is right in here. Looks like it kind of went around. Take another. Don't know if it would try to shear it. Do some more machining. Yeah, baby. Get another punch that can reach down in there a little bit. Just sticking out the bottom, probably 2.5 inches or so. I think we're about right in here. Piece of titanium and a dead blow. Boom. Yeah, buddy. That's how far the shop got with it, trying to go out the way that it's supposed to go out. Mushroomed out, splintered both ways. So this was the end that we machined off the head and just drove it out the opposite way. You can see how oxidized it was. You know, if you're a weekend warrior kind of guy and you don't tear down a bike very often, it's a good idea to put, you know, some grease on it. Your guys that are framing bikes every weekend at the races, they just put some light assembly lube because it's coming in and out once a week, completely tore down. But, you know, to keep this kind of stuff from happening, you know, just put some grease on there and make sure your bike doesn't sit with a bunch of water on it. Spray it off. Spray a little penetrating lube around all your moving pivots, and it's good preventative maintenance to keep from having to go to a machine shop to pull out a spindle to do some you know, motor maintenance. But yeah, that's it, man. Jig it up on the mill, machine it, a little bit of heat, punch it out.